Did you know that one of the most powerful natural remedies in the world is probably sitting in your kitchen right now? Not a rare herb, not an exotic root, just simple garlic. For thousands of years, this humble bulb has been used not only to flavor food, but to boost strength, fight infections, and support overall health. Today, let's uncover why garlic has earned legendary status, and how you can use it to upgrade your daily wellness. Grab a cup of tea. This journey is worth it. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, is far more than a strong-smelling ingredient. Often called nature's antibiotic, it's been a trusted remedy in traditional medicine for centuries. Raw, cooked, or brewed into a tea, garlic carries a sharp, unmistakable flavor and a long history of healing. Its story goes all the way back to ancient civilizations. Egyptians gave garlic to pyramid builders to increase stamina and endurance. Greeks believed it boosted both physical and mental strength. Soldiers even used it before battle for courage and energy. Fast forward to today, and garlic is still celebrated worldwide for both culinary and medicinal power. So what makes garlic so special? It's packed with over 200 biologically active compounds, but the superstar is allicin, the compound responsible for garlic's smell and most of its health benefits. Allicin forms when garlic is crushed or chopped, so activating it is key. Along with that, garlic contains vitamin C, B6, manganese, calcium, selenium, and more. Now let's dive into what this little bulb can actually do for your body. Garlic is a potent immune booster. It's believed that garlic can help ward off colds and infections by stimulating the activity of white blood cells and increasing their ability to fight off pathogens. Some studies even suggest that it can shorten the duration of colds and reduce symptoms. Another impressive benefit of garlic is its ability to detoxify. The compounds in garlic have been shown to stimulate the liver, helping it to detoxify and eliminate harmful toxins from the body. Garlic is packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. Lastly, garlic acts as a natural antibiotic. Thanks to allicin, garlic shows antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal effects, one of the main reasons it's used as a natural remedy worldwide. In herbal medicine, garlic has been used for respiratory issues, digestive discomfort, blood sugar regulation, circulation, and even weight management. Now, how do you make the most of it? One of the simplest ways is with garlic tea, amazing for immunity and soothing sore throats. To make the tea, you need 2-3 fresh garlic cloves, peeled and crushed, 1 cup hot water, lemon slice, optional for vitamin C, honey, optional for taste. 1. Crush the cloves to release allicin. 2. Pour hot water over them. 3. Steep for 5-10 minutes. 4. Strain and add lemon or honey if you like. Tip: drink it warm, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning or before bed. Garlic is truly one of nature's greatest gifts. From ancient warriors to modern wellness lovers, this small bulb has earned its place as a powerful, everyday remedy. Whether you're cooking with it or sipping it as tea, garlic is an incredible support for your health, as long as you use it in moderation and listen to your body. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more herbal tips, and share it with someone who could benefit from this ancient powerhouse. Stay healthy, and keep exploring the wonders of nature.